एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ प्रतीक्षा हेयर। आज हम लोग संडे वीकेंड रिवीजन में उन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करेंगे जो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में लैंड किया है। तो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 631 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 660 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर लैंड किए हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग इन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 631, व्हेन इज नेशनल सिविल सर्विसेज डे सेलिब्रेटेड? देन इट्स आंसर इज 21 April. Question number 632, in which year was rolling plan introduced in India? Then its answer is 1978. Question number 633, when was GST introduced in India? Then its answer is 1st of July 2017. Question number 634, in which year was FCI established? Then its answer is 1965. Question number 635. Question number 635. Where is the headquarter of FCI? Question number 635. Where is the headquarter of FCI? Then its answer is New Delhi. Question number 636. Which is the most populated desert of world? Which is the most populated desert of world? Then its answer is Thar Desert. Question number 637. On which river is Ponk Dam situated? On which river is Ponk Dam situated? Then its answer is Beas River. BEAS, Beas River. Question number 638. Who transferred the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Who transferred the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Then its answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 639. Which is the oldest dynasty of India? Which is the oldest dynasty of India? Then its answer is Mauryan dynasty. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Mauryan dynasty. Question number 640. What is the capital of Malaysia? What is the capital of Malaysia? Then its answer is Kuala Lumpur. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Kuala Lumpur. Question number 641. Who is the custodian of Consolidated Fund of India? Who is the custodian of Consolidated Fund of India? Then its answer is Parliament. Question number 642. What is the tenure of members of Estimates Committee in India? What is the tenure of members of Estimates Committee in India? Then its answer is 1 year. इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार फिर रिपीट कर देते हैं. What is the tenure of members of Estimates Committee in India? Then its answer is 1 year. Question number 643. What is the full form of AITUC? What is the full form of AITUC? Then its answer is All India Trade Union Congress. All India Trade Union Congress. Question number 644. Who was the founder of AITUC? Who was the founder of AITUC? Then its answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 645. Which is the most fertile soil of India? Which is the most fertile soil of India? Then its answer is alluvial soil. Question number 646. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to the Uniform Civil Code? Which article of Indian Constitution is related to the Uniform Civil Code? Then its answer is Article 44. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? अनुच्छेद 44. क्वेश्चन नंबर 647. Which deficiency leads to night blindness? Then its answer is vitamin A. Question number 648. Where is Sambhar Lake situated? Where is Sambhar Lake situated? Then its answer is Rajasthan. Question number 649. Where did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon? Then its answer is Sarnath. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Sarnath. Where did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon? Then its answer is Sarnath. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Sarnath. Question number 650. Who is the author of the book Thus Capital? Who is the author of the book Thus Capital? Then its answer is Karl Marx. Question number 651. Which emperor was known as Alamgir? Then its answer is Aurangzeb. Question number 652. Who were the founders of the newspapers Navjeevan and Young India? Who were the founders of the newspapers Navjeevan and Young India? नवजीवन और यंग इंडिया ये दो न्यूज़पेपर के नाम हैं, तो इनके संस्थापक कौन थे? देन आपको बता दूं, इन दोनों के संस्थापक एक ही थे जिनका नाम है महात्मा गांधी। क्या नाम है? महात्मा गांधी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 653. व्हाट इज द pH ऑफ प्योर वाटर? देन इट्स आंसर इज 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 654. टू विच इज बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी रिलेटेड? टू विच इज बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी रिलेटेड? देन इट्स आंसर इज पंचायत राज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 655. विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू द बोरोइंग बाय स्टेट्स? विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू द बोरोइंग बाय स्टेट्स? देन इट्स आंसर इज आर्टिकल 293. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? आर्टिकल 293. Question number 656. Who introduced the policy of Sulh-e-Kul? Who introduced the policy of Sulh-e-Kul? Then its answer is Akbar. Question number 657. Who is the author of the book The Idea of History? Then its answer is R.G. Collingwood. R.G. Collingwood. Question number 658. Where is the headquarter of Coffee Board of India? Then its answer is Bengaluru. Question number 659. Where is the headquarter of Tobacco Board of India? Where is the headquarter of Tobacco Board of India? Then its answer is Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 660. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to the power of president to grant pardon? Then its answer is article 72. इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार फिर रिपीट कर देते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 660. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to the power of president to grant pardon? Then its answer is article 72. Thank you very much.